Greetings ladies and gents, Ilzy from Heathen Sen here and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different and also wear something a little bit different. It's getting a little bit cold over here in Sydney especially, and you know, I'm loving my Slouch beanies. They're quite nice and warm and yeah, what can I say? A little something to keep that lovely little shaved head warm. Anyway, damn, it's getting a little bit cold. But this is, as I said, a little bit different because it's not exactly to do with fragrance. I mean, the products that I have over here do have a little bit of fragrance in them, but it's more to do with men's grooming. So, I mean, I said, yeah, welcome ladies and gents. I mean, yes, obviously it's more a video for the gents, but, you know, for the ladies as well. I mean, if you've got like a husband, a partner, a son, a grandson, a grandfather, you know, that's... well, you know, growing a beard or, you know, wants to grow a beard, I think this is a good way to go because, I mean, I've been buying, obviously, since I started growing a beard, this is literally the first time I've grown a beard, so obviously you can tell, it's not exactly the most well-kept, but considering the lack of knowledge that I had before, now I've got a bit more. I mean, I bought all this sort of store-bought sort of stuff that's really... I don't know, just full of chemicals and everything like that. It was a little bit cheaper and I don't know, it just, a lot of it sort of didn't really work out too well, and I thought, okay, let's just keep on searching. And there was one thing I did remember, and there's this one brand that I remember I actually got gifted a shaving butter from probably about like, I don't know, it was like maybe about 6-7 months ago or something, a little bit longer than that. But I remember I loved it quite a bit, and I thought, like, I just remember recently a new member from the Aussie Fragrance Lounge actually just joined up and was asking about fragrances and how to sort of come by a lot that he's actually seen, because he's in a bit of a remote location, I guess, you know, in Western Australia. And then I sort of just thought, oh, okay, well, let's see where this guy's at. Maybe we can find a Chemist Warehouse for him or whatever. And unfortunately, it really wasn't much in the area. But then I noticed he's also the owner, and he runs a brand called Black Magic Organic, and that's what I remember that brand being, from that shaving butter that I got. So I thought, okay, you know, like, check out the website, looked at the shop and all that sort of stuff, and it's got a lot of, you know, great men's grooming sort of products and all organic and everything like that. So I'm like, that's awesome, because I really want to stay away from like a lot of like the chemicals and like the harsh sort of things, especially for my beard, you know. I mean, it's just like, you know, hair on your head. Obviously, it's a little bit more coarse and everything like that. But the thing is, you want to make sure that you've got a healthy beard and all that sort of stuff. So I thought, okay, well, yeah, it might be a little bit sort of late considering I've got some sort of length over here. But you know what? At least sort of start now. Why not? I mean, hey, thought I'd get onto this. And hey, Mark, may want to give this a try. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Anyway, unbox this, have our first impression, and see how we go. And see if I can actually open this knife properly. Okay. Anyway, oh yeah. So, cool thing is, you know, the brand is all about, I guess, you know, reusable and sort of like more eco-friendly products. So they've got like 100% compostable bag. I nearly stabbed myself. Anyway, let's get this opened up. Hope I don't drop this. That would be nice. I'm just trying to remember exactly what I got from this brand. So nice and easy, sort of, you know, cardboard box, nothing too ridiculous, nice, you know. And you got, what was it, a email address over here to contact the owner or the brand, and let's open this up, we'll go from there. So what we got, oh, very nicely packaged, like all this sort of black confetti going with the theme, you know, nice little sort of card over here, subscribe to the newsletter and receive a free beard brush, which I actually did get, which I actually did subscribe, and there we go. So I've got that in this package over here. Well, let's start with everything else. I'll leave a link in the description to the website, and you can check out what they've got, some amazing stuff. And so, no, this is not sponsored. I literally paid my own with my own money for this sort of stuff. Anyway, go with the first product. Put this down so that way at least we can have a proper look. So one thing I thought I needed was a comb. Oh wait. Oh, this is not a comb. This is a little something else. I don't remember ordering this. I guess this was a little something put in there with it. Straight razor, I think. Wow. Okay. Awesome. Ricky, thanks for that, mate. Damn, this is actually quite nice. It's nice, you know, wooden finish and everything like that. I mean, I've never used a straight razor before, so I mean, I've heard some things. I mean, if you don't do it perfectly, you could easily cut yourself, whatever. But practice makes perfect, doesn't it? So let's go on to the next thing. Pretty awesome. And like the pouch, it's pretty nice. You know, it's kind of like that leather pouch. You know, it's got a nice sort of almost like a very nice sort of soft sort of inner lining. Love this. This is really cool. Thank you again. I did not expect that. What else we got over here? So, another lovely pouch with a sandalwood comb. See, this is definitely one thing that I needed because I did buy a couple of combs and everything like that. I had like crap plastic sort of thing, and I also had like this metal one that I swear was just really bad. I mean, you know, if you're gonna get something from Woolies and Woolies and Coles. Do I know how to speak correctly? I hope. And yeah, it's really, really nice. I love that grain on it. You know, it's even got like the logo nicely sort of laser etched into there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow. Let's go on to the next thing. Okay. Start off, I think. What have we got over here? I don't even know. It's like, you know, like in this nice little sort of tin. I'm trying to see what this is. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. It's the razors. Razors for like the... Yeah, that's pretty cool. Wow. Very individually wrapped in a nice, cute little envelope that's got the logo on it. I love it. All right. Wow. Thanks again, mate. Really appreciate it. Holy crap. What else? What else? Okay. Next thing. The lovely little tin. And this one is the Beard Bum. And it's a Private Reserve Batch 43, which is actually written on the back, if you can see that. And this should have some type of fragrance. I think it's possibly like a sandalwood type thing. I'm not 100% sure. I don't even remember exactly, but it's on the website regards. Ooh, I can smell this already. It's creamy. It's one thing I definitely needed, like a beard balm, so I definitely had to get this, you know. It's, yeah, nice and simple. Nothing ridiculous. I like that. Ooh. Ooh, okay, cool. Okay. Next, we have got beard oil. So I've got two different type of beard oils. Now, we've got the standard one, which comes in this lovely sort of like a glass bottle. Pretty cool. Comes with a dropper. If I can get this opened. Don't get me wrong, I kind of suck at these things, so... Oh, hey! No, this is pretty cool, yeah. Comes in a nice sort of like glass pipette. Really great. Let's have a smell of this. Kind of similar to, like, you know, the beard balm, you know, nice and soft and sandalwoody. Well, good thing is, though, because I really don't like to actually have something that's too fragrant. I remember actually getting some Fox brand or whatever of like beard balm for one thing, and geez, like it had this really strong lemony smell and almost gave me a headache. And I mean, I couldn't even smell my fragrance that I actually had on at the time, so it kind of defeated the purpose of what I really wanted it for. Not exactly the smell. I mean, you could probably smell it from a freaking room away, but whatever. I digress. And then we've got the extra strength growth formula as well. So why not? This is definitely one thing I really want. I really want to sort of grow this long anyway, so this might actually help quite a bit. Yeah, it's really nicely bottled, you know, nice another glass sort of bottle. This one obviously gloss compared to that one being like a matte finish, and the labeling is quite nice, very very premium looking. Wow, nice work, nice. See, open this up. Well, this one's a little bit different, so it's not exactly, it doesn't have like the glass pipette, whatever. It's like a dropper, like, or just, you know, like it's got like that sort of like plastic sort of drop cap in there. This one's a little bit more fragrant. This is actually quite nice. Ooh. Okay. Definitely something. I definitely want to test these out, you know, for a little while and see how they go. I mean, obviously anything's better than any of that store-bought crap anyway. Okay, next thing. What have we got? Lovely thing in another silver tin we got over here. Once again with the logo. Looks nice, looks easy, simple. You don't twist this, do you? No, you don't. Okay, and this is the, if I can get it out, it's actually nicely packaged. My hands don't like me right now, just so you know. Obviously, as you can tell. Having trouble. That's my bad though. There we go. So this is the beard brush that you get free when you sign up to the newsletter, which is actually quite nice. So I think it was boar bristle. So at first I thought boar bristle, okay, this might be like a little bit hard or whatever, but no, this is actually, it feels quite soft. It doesn't feel like it's gonna, like, you know, sort of prick you or whatever, you know, when you touch it. Obviously that's a good thing. It's not exactly like a echidna or something like that, which is always a good thing. Definitely. Cool. I definitely will be using this one because, once again, brush is a good thing that I need. Because I do have a brush at the moment, but it's like this plastic thing that's just like, it feels so flimsy, and I don't know, this would be pretty cool. Especially, I love the natural sort of wood grain there, you know, it feels very organic. Awesome. I love this. Do we have anything else? I don't know. Let me just check. I'm getting things dirty. Too much confetti. Crap. Actually, that was everything. So, yeah. That, geez, like, check this out. Honestly. Okay, I know I can get like a little bit, you know, all over the place, but it's easy to sort of clean up. But, you know, considering, like, it's not a huge amount of items in there, but it's so well packaged. So this is what I love, you know. I mean, all the, you know, work gone into all of this, it definitely feels premium. From the inside out, obviously. It's, I mean, you know, cardboard box, you know, it's like you're not expecting some sort of wooden, you know, like premium sort of thing that will probably cost more than the items, like, altogether. But this is great. Awesome. I've been kind of waiting a bit to do this because I actually got this like earlier in the week, and I thought, you know, I really wanted to do a video, but the thing is, and I really want to open it up, but I'm like, nah, I'm going to do the video first because seriously, it's like, you know, and I just wanted to get it out there. Well, why not? Especially if you're looking for like something nice and organic, especially for your beard. Great idea. I mean, don't get me wrong, like I looked at like companies like the Beard Struggle and all that sort of stuff, but the thing is, what I noticed is like, okay, like they got great marketing, you know, it's like, it kind of speaks to me a bit, obviously, like the whole sort of Viking, the pagan thing, great, whatever, it's all good, but I mean, marketing is marketing, but when you've got products, you know, they just, you know, they don't use much marketing at all, but stand by their organic sort of, you know, formulas and everything like that, and just to have something that's more of a local small business, I think why not a good way to start. And hell, you know, maybe I will get like maybe one or two like products from Beard Struggle. I think there was just the one thing that I would want to get. It was like, I don't know, it was like this protectant sort of spray for like when you're straightening your beard, which I do on the odd occasion. So anyway, guys, this has been my unboxing and first impression of Black Magic organic products. Once again, a big thank you to Ricky from Blackmagic Organic. Really appreciate that delivery. I appreciate that that straight razor, which I mean, it's going to be fun trying to use because wow, I'm such a noob when it comes to shaving. I mean, just use like a freaking Gillette shaver with like 5 blades. Yay. So for something a little bit different, I thought why not? Good way to start. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've liked what you've seen. I hope you liked what you've heard. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fragrant videos and beard grooming videos like this. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. I'll see you on the next one, guys, and blessed be to you all.